Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon to all viewers participating in 3rd PIMC 2021 conference. Today I'll be presenting a paper entitled Augmented Reality as an Alternative Teaching Tools. The flow of this presentation will start with traditional and modern education scenario, literature review on technology innovation in education, advantages of augmented reality, methodology, results, discussions, and recommendations. Malaysia education system is based on traditional teaching methods, requiring students to take course daily at schools, colleges, and universities. However, after 18 March 2020, movement order control has disturbed educational system in Malaysia. It created an urgent commission among teachers to seamlessly accept transition to online learning instruction. Educators utilize multiple media such as tablet, televisions, mobile phones as learning tools favorably. It is realized that during the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, the use of information technology utilizing mobile applications especially has become vigorous. Augmented reality has been slowly but surely following its predecessor, virtual reality, in changing the education sector through digitizing. Augmented reality is the technology that is expected to rule the entire education industry in the future. AR, able to provide active learning for students. At present, the education market is a top 3 promising area of development for AR and VR technology. E-Learning Survey estimates that by 2023, the world will have about 2.4 billion mobile users of augmented reality worldwide, and its market will reach $72.7 billion by 2024. Generation Y and Alpha students prefer to learn using modern technology. Computer technology and mobile phones are consistently upgraded to increase maximum connectivity. Augmented reality gives a better knowledge about reality. It combines a real scene view and a virtual scene generated by a computer that augments the scene with additional information. It increases visual, auditive, kinesthetic in education among students. It provides a hybrid environment where the user can interact. AR system adds virtual computer-generated objects, audio, and other intelligence enhancement to a real-world environment in a real time. Students and teachers can use wearable technology such as eyewear to increase education quality. Augmented reality is one of the cloud technology that bridges the gaps between what you see and what you imagine. It is a technology that enhances the physical existing parameters of the real world. It integrates the existing with details that were artificially engineered. Thus, students with fundamental technology platforms have privileges, can better prepare themselves for working environment. AR have a significant impact on learning environment. It develops students' engagement in creating educational content. It creates collaborative learning environment through content creation and sharing process. It helps teachers to create lesson plans that incorporates multiple sensory experience. It enables teachers to create immersive educational experience and helps students improve memory. What are some of the pedagogical problems in using traditional education techniques? 1. It creates disruptive attitudes. create problems between instructors in managing classes, especially during remote teaching. Lessons are not engaged. For these reasons, this paper wishes to convey a survey on the use of augmented reality among students. There are 4 objectives of this research as displayed on the slides. However, for the purpose of this presentation, I will only discuss objective number 3, which is to test the use of AR technology and learning simulations among students. The outcome of this objective was to understand students' feedback on their experience using AR. The research was designed to formalize, and attention was given to the theoretical content that influence the effectiveness using AR as teaching simulation. 2 unstructured personal interviews were held from previous lecturers that taught global distribution system. Based on their view, a set of questionnaires was developed and adopted from selected literature. 4 constructs were developed consist of new technologies, materials and content, application of augmented reality technology, and the use of augmented reality. The research displays the result of the research. The results proves that students favor new technology. The results were skewed toward agree and strongly agree, having a mean score of 4.19. The next table provides the result of augmented reality. The table showed that the results were skewed towards agree and strongly agree, having a score of 4.2. This table revealed the result of material and contents. The mean score is 4.30. The next table displayed a mean score for application of AR technology, which is 4.3. This table displayed the result of t-tests. The table showed score of 2.01, indicating that students like the use of AR in their lesson, even though some are not sure since AR was only tested for certain parts of the module. The result of correlation among variables is displayed here. The highest correlation result was 0.78 between the 2 variables of augmented reality versus application of AR technology. The result of this research proves that AR contributes to students' learning and motivation among the new generation. Conventional learning is less effective technique for them after being exposed to AR technologies. AR mobile application is an excellent way for them to develop learning interactions with communities, especially during remote learning. In this way, instructors should endeavor to capture their interest in learning through the use of technology education such as augmented reality. AR allows for discovery-based learning in a unique way. It provides a new reading experience that can facilitate practical e-learning. Hence, augmented reality is one of many ways to resolve and attract students to focus during lectures. It is hoped that the adoption of AR will inspire students' motivation in learning and level in the education system. Alpha generation perceive this technology as part of routine rather than advancement exploration. In the future, we will witness augmented reality as a complete eradication of book learning rather than innovation. AR is greatly useful in training and learning in virtual environment. Before I end my presentation, I would like to summarize my thoughts. AR is digitally enhancing education world. It conveys a new outlook to learning and open up unique, more engaging dimensions for exploration. With that note, I end my presentation. Thank you everyone. Please enjoy your conference and have a nice day. Bye bye.